Hello guys, welcome to Newzee. Dubai visitors and residents gathered on Friday night at Expo 2020 as the ball dropped officially, bringing in the year of 2022.
It was a very challenging year, and probably what I expect, it's a little bit of the, all of the humans around the world that get together, have more common sense, and we'll strive for the better living, we'll strive for the better results for ourselves, for our families, and spread a little bit more happiness to everyone.
The region's tourism hub celebrated the new year with the usual firework and laser show at the world's tallest building in the heart of Dubai.
We were reducing the pandemic, and now we see that it's coming back again. So I think we need to still be very careful, still be very aware that this is not end, that we still need to be each other taking care of us.
Thousands gathered at Expo 2020 for the longest New Year's Eve celebrations in the world, according to the media statement. 192 participating countries. Expo 2020's festivities will take place at various locations across the site over a 13-hour period, statement added. Crowds of people gathered to watch the spectacle and filmed it on their phones. Dubai is open to tourists, though it requires visitors from the majority of countries to show a negative PCR test upon arrival and undertake another one at the airport.